Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. So in this video, we are going to see some accounting part in Jainam Software. So just have a look. So from the I will go to the dashboard. So here you can see the cash balance of the company is 54,455 and the bank balance is 3,250 and 15 accounts open, 2 closed. Now if I go to the cash statement, let's check the cash statement. So here you can see the balance is matching perfectly 54,455. And if I go to the bank statement, let's refresh. So here you can see the balance also 3,250. Now let's go to the main page, and from here accounting I will go to the journal entry. So from here I will select the payment and let's select electricity bill. So here the electricity bill for let's say 2000, and from cash or bank, so I will select let's say bank and 2000. So electricity paid by the company. So here narration I will write down. Payment done for electricity bill by cash or by Bank of Baroda. Now here I can write the RTGS or check number and just save this. So after that, so let's check the now dashboard. I will go to the business summary dashboard. So here now you can see bank balance is 1250 only. So electricity paid by bank. So if I go to the business summary bank statement, so just refresh. So here you can see that payment done by electricity bill by Bank of Baroda. So here you can see 2000 is paid for electricity bill from the Bank of Baroda. Now because this, so dashboard is reflecting now 1250. So this type we can handle all the cash or bank balance and all the accounting part in Jainam software. So thank you friends for watching this video, and for more videos I will come back. Don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a nice day.